Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another sidestepping adventure in mid-Tennessee adventure. This is this March the 16th, the morning after all the tornadoes, you know. So, right now, I am at Obed River Park. What am I doing at Obed River Park? I'm fixing to show you if I don't fall. But this is what I come for. The Obed is very, very, very up, ain't it? So I thought I wanted to capture this. On video. This is a walking path, remember? I guess I'll get up on the bank, because that's getting a little deep. But see? It's the Obed. This is that Obed River Park. We had a lot of rain, let me tell you, last night. So, I'm gonna try to get across that bridge. I didn't really feel like doing anything, but because I still feel kind of rough. Well, I feel rough. Let's put it that way. So y'all remember where we're at? Surely you do. There's a bridge that's underwater. I'm going across. What's going to happen? Nothing. But I do have a leak in my boot. I just found that out. So that's good. So I don't know how far I'll get to walk this. I might have to cut up through the woods a little, it looks like. But yeah, it is up. I guess I am. I'll have to go up through there. Gotta cross, I'll take you with me, because it ain't that hop and a skip. I'll just swing around this laurel. That's all I got to do. Somehow. Here we go. Here we go. Hope everybody's safe where you're at. Okay, where am I going? Okay. No, don't really. I got my medicine with me, just I've been waking up with a headache last night. Miss Kim said that's one of the symptoms. I ain't one of them people that can sit still, so if I'm alright, feel good enough to at least get out and walk, you know? I got to get out. I feel like a person trapped. Okay, we are now on the other side. So we'll walk this way. A flooded Obed River walk. But that's what I'll call it. That's what I'll call it. I wasn't planning on doing anything really, because I just don't feel good. Don't feel like talking much, but I am. If I've got a voice, I guess I'll talk. I need to be cut. Walking water. We'll go down as far as the dam if we can. It kind of looks blocked from what I see. Up there. It's roaring. I may have to cut up through the woods. I'm not going to get my feet wet. I have a leak in my boot, so I'm sick. I don't know, it looks like it's barely on the path, so who knows? Feels like being out on the beach, don't it? Yeah, I think I can get through here. It's not too bad. It's slowly cresting or something like that. Walk fast and it's not getting no water in my boots. I told you whenever it rains on Obed River, this thing goes up. It's up today because of all the rain, and a lot of you people down off the mountain are getting hit by the floodwaters. So I'll be praying for you guys. But I wanted to check this out. I had to get out and get gas anyway for the car. So hopefully I'll be good enough to go to work tomorrow. I don't want to go back to, I don't want to go to a doctor. I haven't been to a doctor enough this month. I have to wait to go to the doctor in Cookville next month, April. Oh, wow. Look what we have here. Charles, my cousin, you'll want to see this. Charles Reinhardt. That's my cousin. He plays piano. He does all kinds of stuff. He's a good guy. There's the dam, but we can't get over there. That's where we go. So let's try to cut up here. Yeah, don't think there's gonna be too many people walking. That's the dam. go see what we got. Don't worry, Charles. I won't get too close to the edge. It's on. Oh man, it is around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. As I'm taking you around, please like. Remember, every time you hit that like button, you're the heartbeat of this channel. I am just a heart, but you are the people that keep it pumping. Keep the channel pumping. Alive. You know? Gotta keep it alive. Like Frankenstein. It's alive. But yeah, it was pretty bad last night. These were cut down, so don't worry, that's not no wind damage. Probably was, but that's why they had to cut it. Kinda got a headache. A little bit still. I don't know if it's a headache or if it's a sinus headache. It feels more like a sinuses. I don't like that. I'd rather just have a regular headache than sinuses. So remember, please like. If you watch it, you might as well like it, you know. That's what I do. When I watch other people, what I do is, so I don't forget, because I forget a whole lot, but you all know that. But I hit the like button before I start watching. That way, it's already liked. If I'm going to watch it, and if I'm taking the time to go to their channel to watch it, then I just like it, you know. When they took the time to make it, and it's pretty, sometimes it's pretty, I don't know if I can make it through here. I think I can. Sometimes it's just hectic to make content that y'all like, and so at least give us a like for the effort, you know, because we're making an effort to try to get you guys some entertainment. Footsteps in the sand. Those are mine. So I got to shout out the agitator, the bear, Bradley, Danny, Jay Bird, my buddy, Tony, got some new people, Katie Blair, or Bear, B-A, I think it's spelled B-A-I-R. So you just subscribe to me sometime this week. So welcome to the channel, and all you new ones that can't remember everybody. So thank you for subscribing. I'm slowly checking you guys out. I got pretty good Friday, but then when Saturday come around, my energy level is just not up to par. But I can't just sit inside all day. I'm one of them people that can't do that. Yeah, as long as I'm not running a high-grade fever or something. I mean, even with a fever, I shouldn't be out here, but, you know, each to his own, right? You're either gonna get sicker or better. I'm trying to get through here because of the river being up. Probably shouldn't be in here. Snakes are all confused. I ain't got no snake boots on. I got the rubber boots, but not the snake boots. It's getting where you're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to quit going in the woods for a while because the ticks, for one, and snakes. I don't like the ticks. Do you? The Lyme disease, all that, I'll pass that up. Somebody else can have it. Let's go, ain't it? Now, I guess I will have to walk across the bridge there. So like, subscribe, share. I'm not going nowhere yet, but is it pretty? Very pretty. Okay, here we go. Yippee! I'm up to get time. Yep, I found the lake. Oh. Well, this concludes a flooded Obed River walk, okay? So, like, subscribe, share, that would be good. Remember, you are the heartbeat of the channel. When you like it, bum, 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 bum. I know, sound effects, right? Just like milking a goat. So, y'all, take care. God bless. Have a good day. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all watching and hanging out with us on the crazy live streams we have. I appreciate that. It'll be more entertaining this summer, trust me. I got some good plans. You guys are saying, oh no, especially Norma. She's going, oh boy, what's he got up his sleeve? You just wait. It's good. Good for the soul, too. You'll be laughing, you might have to pay your britches. That's how bad you'll be laughing. So, I love y'all. Take care. God bless. And have a good day. Be safe.